All right, so if you're trying to figure out how to actually earn money online using Perplexity AI in 2026, yeah, you're in the right place. I'll break down simple, real methods you can start even if you're a beginner. First, quick understanding. Perplexity is like a smarter search engine. It gives you direct answers, summaries, and sources, so you don't waste time clicking through websites. One of the easiest ways to start freelance research. Clients on Fiverr or Upwork pay for fast and accurate information, and you can use Perplexity to deliver high quality work quickly. Next, content creation. You can generate blog ideas, YouTube scripts, or social media posts, then monetize through ads, clients, or your own pages. Another solid method, affiliate marketing. Research products, comparisons, and trends, then create helpful content and earn commissions through your links. You can also turn research into ebooks, guides, or niche reports and sell them online as digital products. This one's underrated. Newsletters. Pick a niche, share useful insights regularly, and grow an audience you can monetize later. Once you understand the process, combine Perplexity with other tools to automate research and content so you can scale without doing everything manually. So, yeah, it's not just a search tool, it's something you can actually use to earn online if you stay consistent. Start small, improve your skills, and build from there. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.